In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send SMS messages with Brevo. If you have never built an SMS campaign before, this walkthrough will help you move from the menu to a ready-to-send message. You will follow along in the Brevo dashboard, so make sure you can see the left sidebar and the main campaign area on screen. First, click Marketing in the left sidebar menu. This is the main section where you manage messaging and promotional activities. After you click Marketing, you should see additional options appear or expand in the sidebar, letting you choose the type of campaign you want to create. Take a moment to confirm you are inside Marketing before continuing, because all later steps depend on starting in the correct area. Next, click Campaigns. This takes you to the place where your marketing projects live, including emails, advertisements, and message campaigns. Once you open Campaigns, look for a section or navigation option specifically related to SMS. It helps to pay attention here, since the menu can look similar across different campaign types. Then click SMS. This selection indicates that you want to create an SMS campaign specifically, not a different communication channel. After you click SMS, the page should refresh to show SMS-related actions, such as viewing existing campaigns or creating a new one. Make sure you see an option that says something like Create or Create Campaign, because that is the next step. Now, click Create an SMS campaign. This begins the setup process. Depending on your current view, you may see a form or a setup screen. At this point, your job is to prepare the campaign basics, so Brevo knows what you are sending and how it should be organized in your account. Then, type your campaign name and click Create Campaign. Choose a clear name that you can recognize later, especially if you plan to run multiple SMS campaigns over time. After you click Create Campaign, Brevo should load the campaign builder, where you can customize what your recipients will receive. Next, Edit Message. This is where you define the actual SMS content. The message editor will typically allow you to write your text and review it before you proceed. Focus on making the message clear and concise, since SMS has limited space and people read messages quickly. If there are options for personalization, such as inserting contact fields, you can use them if they appear in the editor. Keep in mind that the message should match your purpose and include any necessary details your audience expects. As you edit the message, take a moment to check for clarity and accuracy. Read it once all the way through as if you were the recipient. Also look for any previews or character counts if they are shown on screen, because they help you stay within SMS limits. When the message content looks correct, you are ready to move on. But for the purposes of these steps, you will have completed the key setup actions: choosing the channel, creating the campaign, and editing the message. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.